Okay guys, a new update was released for Dusklight. As you guys can see, version 1.3.0. You guys can see what's new. Well, added new modernized depth of field implementation plus classic option. Added data folder configuration on Android. Note the larger transfers texture packs may cause the app to sit on a black screen on restart. Be patient. A ARM64 Windows and Linux build. Numpad Enter now works in the menus. Poe Counter from TPHD. Option to hide owl statue markers are after completion. New achievement, Gorge skip, hero mode, Autospin Annihilator, surgical skewer, and early city. Update Steam controller support on Linux, that is great. Invert air swim access options. Better crash reporting in log files. Fix Adreno vertex shader issue, vertex explosion, etc. Work around Adreno drive bug triggered by 16-bit integrated arithmetics. VersionName, VersionCode not updating for Android APK. Refactor string handling in the original game to prevent crashes and undefined behavior. Credits crash on Linux and Android. Some instances where Wolf Link couldn't howl. No hard drops now functions more similar to TPHD. TPHD demo video playback stuttering. Map offset when using mirror mode. Collection pause file select screen presentation with ultra wide. Various crashes include Soda River and foreign languages. Goat and snowboard achievement check. Indomitable achievement 100% completion achievement check. Ignore software renders when choosing graphic back. This workaround is an issue where the D3D12 falling back to Microsoft's basic render and crash before the Vulkan D3D11 backend have changed to initialize. Reduce log files for possibility. Rare issues where settings wouldn't save. So that is pretty much what we have here for this changelog. So let's go ahead and download it. Okay, that was way too smooth. Like, I just downloaded it, double clicked it, and it was already there. I didn't have to delete the old application like I did before. Okay, so that is great. So let's see what we have here. I know that we got mostly it was just a bunch of bug fixes for the Android version. So that is good. It's always nice to look around. Master volume 80%. Okay, so it doesn't change it. If you guys remember last time, it did change it down to 60%, which is way too low. We got mirror mode here. Hide the owl statue markers here, which is good. I like this, a toggle. Go Poe count out map. This actually, I like this idea, so I'm gonna turn it on. And here are the cheats, still the same ones. Base. Menu scaling. Okay, we got Wii or GameCube. Oh, the collection and file select menu scale to your aspect ratio. Okay. Let's use Dusklight then. Now that we did that, play the game. Make sure that everything is running fine. Yeah, server file is still there. Go to the Sacred Grove. Yeah, it's looking good. Still, I think it looks. It's been a few days, but I think it looks a little bit better. Remember, I'm using the 4K texture pack by King Rico. Things running good. The gyros are working. Hello, Midna. Oh yeah, the map thing with the Poe count. There's the Poe count right there. Okay, that is nice. That's actually pretty welcome. Now I do wonder if they added something else in the advanced setting. If you don't know how to get to the settings, here is at least on Mac FN F1, and then you get the normal ones. But if you press it again and you go FN Shift F1, then you get the other menu, which has the save editor, state share, the open data folder, and then you get the graphics settings and the collisions and the process management and all that stuff. You can even spawn actors if you want, so that is really darn nice. But yeah, gotta say, this is looking better and better by the day. And I don't know how this 1.3 was released 19 hours ago. When I checked, pretty much I checked this morning, I checked in the afternoon, and nothing was up. So I don't know how it's occupied, but still great, awesome, and I hope they keep it up. I hope they do. One thing that I do want to see is that multiplayer mod. I hope they add it here. That would be so awesome. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe for more, and see you guys next time.